Hi, I'm Kim, the Digital Resources Programmer at Central Arkansas Library System. In this video, I have a treat for you. We're going to explore a fun and easy-to-use tool that's all about food from different countries. All you need to get started is your library card. At cows.org, in the Research Tools section, you can find A to Z World Food. This database allows you to explore dishes from all over the world. Right away, you'll notice that a new country is featured each day with recipes and articles about that country's food culture. If you have a specific country in mind, you can find a map and a list of all the countries' names right under the featured banner. I'll select a country I've always wanted to visit, the Netherlands. Once I click on it, I see information about the food culture, which is interesting, but I think I want to try to make something special. So I'll head to the left and find a section called Recipes. I like how they break it down by appetizers, main dishes, and so much more. I have a sweet tooth, so I'm going to click on Desserts. They all look so good, but I'm going to try out this one. Excuse my Dutch, I believe it's called Butterkoek. When I click on that, I'm taken to a page that describes the dish and the approximate time it will take to make it, which includes prep time and cook time. Below that, there's a list of food philosophies and dietary restrictions, and a checkbox appears for each one that applies. For this dish, we can see it's vegetarian. Just underneath that is the actual recipe. You'll see the list of ingredients and the directions to actually make it. Another feature I love to look at is the country's pantry on the left. When you click this feature, you'll see the most common ingredients found in the country's dishes. At the top, you'll also see this tab called How Food is Made. This section includes collections of short videos on different topics, like food hacks, food prep, and so much more. I'm not the best chef, so I like to check out the video playlist called Cooking Techniques. It helps me learn something new and better my cooking skills. The Ingredients tab at the top is also really handy. Sometimes I have extra ingredients left over and I'm not sure what to do with them. If you click this tab, you can find inspiration for your next dish by selecting the ingredient you have. Once you find that specific ingredient you have on hand, the database will display all the recipes featuring that ingredient. Let's try it out and click on Sweeteners. I have a lot of honey around my place at the moment, so I'll click on that. Then I'll see a small description of the ingredient and some other key facts about it, such as origin, flavor, profile, and so much more. However, let's scroll down and look at the carousel called Featured Recipes with Honey. Here, I'll find all the recipes features the ingredient I chose. This is a great way to save money and avoid food waste too. This database has so much to explore, so I invite you to try it out yourself. If you find a cool dish to try, let us know in the comments below. And if you need help, please contact us by email at elibrary@cows.org or call us at 501-918-3000. In our January video, we'll talk about how to use BrainFuel's Job Now to make your next big career move. For now, enjoy your holidays and go explore the world one dish at a time.